Hello TL Travelers, and welcome to or welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. This morning we are waking up at the beautiful Hyatt Vivid Grand Island in Cancun, Mexico. In some of our previous videos, you've seen us stay in Puerto Vallarta and Tulum, but for this stay, we really wanted to stay somewhere close to the airport that was nice and convenient. And luckily, this spot is only 15 minutes from the Cancun International Airport, and that worked out perfectly when our flight arrived just a little bit late on arrival to this destination. So in this video, I wanted to take you on a quick tour of the resort and give you some thoughts about our stay here. We have been here a few days, so please don't mind the mess here in the suite, but we are staying in a Bayview Junior Suite, and I'm just gonna kick things off by giving you a short tour right now. This resort was built in 2024 and has numerous ground level pools, in addition to the incredible rooftop infinity pool and a rooftop pool bar for Vantage Club members. Now, I do have to say that the rooftop was the first thing that we checked out when we first arrived, and it was beautiful, yes, but it was incredibly windy. We were absolutely windblown while dining at the rooftop Japanese restaurant. So much so that I was actually struggling to film for you clearly, but the food was delicious and we did ask about the wind. We were told that it is quite windy up there quite frequently, but that for pool time in the mornings and early afternoon, often not as windy, which was something that we could confirm in the few days that we were here. So if you are really interested in the rooftop infinity pool and that's something that is bringing you here, that's just something to keep in mind. All that said though, today the plan is to head to the beach club, because I think it is important to note that this location is not located on the beach, but it does have a beach club shared with the Dreams. That's just a short shuttle ride away. So let's get all of our stuff together, grab the shuttle and head that way. So after grabbing our wristbands from the front desk, the shuttle to the beach was less than 10 minutes. Everything here is all-inclusive, just as it is at the resort, and we loved relaxing and dining with a view of the crashing waves. Okay, so we are back from the beach club now and just putting ourselves together for dinner. We were told when we arrived that you didn't really need to make reservations for the a la cartes ahead of time, but I will say that most people seem to do that. So because of that, anytime that we have just tried to walk up for dinner, we've been seated around 9 p.m. because all of the tables were reserved earlier. So if you're coming here, no, it's not required for you to make a reservation, but I do highly encourage you to do that unless you don't mind eating at 9 p.m. And then that is perfect. The food and beverage floor of the resort is where most of the fine dining is located here. There's Italian, there's Mexican and French options, Italian being the favorite it seems, along with Mediterranean on the ground floor and the Japanese, like I mentioned, on the rooftop. All in all, we have really enjoyed our stay here. I would definitely consider returning, especially because being beachfront is not top priority for us. We don't really mind the shuttle to and from the beach as long as it's not an inconvenient shuttle. And we found this shuttle to work perfectly fine. In addition to having the beach club, there's also a lot more activities available here on the resort, like yoga and fitness classes. We did a sound bath. So there seems to be a lot going on to make up for the fact that they aren't located directly on the beach. The staff was incredibly friendly. The food we had no problems with, really enjoyed everything that we ate. And so yeah, if being beachfront is something that's really important to you, I would encourage you to check out some of the other videos that we have done on this channel that highlight some beachfront resorts in the area. Actually, the next video coming up is going to be from the Secrets Riviera Cancun Resort and Spa. But yeah, if beachfront isn't something that you definitely need, I would give this resort a look. So I'm going to leave this video here, but if you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you here on the channel. And until I see you in the next video, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you in the next one.